Former Bachelor Nick Viall reveals that he has been taking part in a controversial diet plan. He shared the details on his podcast, The Viall Files. Many people decide to try and lose weight after the new year. Nick feels he needs to detox and reset his body. What is this diet he is doing? Keep reading to find out more. Nick Viall taking part in fad diet plan. Bachelor Nick Viall is taking part in a diet that many feel is not safe. There are benefits and risks, just as there are with any other weight loss craze. He revealed on the Viall Files that he is doing a water fast. He said, "This is not some sort of, do this with me. I haven't eaten in 36 hours, so that's fun." Nick also says he realizes this type of fast is not for everyone. His goal is to make it 4 days with only water. Nick has had nothing but water. He went on to say, "It's supposed to be really healthy for you. It's supposed to, decrease your chance of cancer. It's supposed to be really good for inflammation. It's supposed to be good for decreasing your chance of Alzheimer's." The first 24 hours of his fast was exceptionally tough. Nick revealed that by early evening he was weak and tired and wanted to go to bed. His wife, Natalie Joy, says she is also suffering by listening to him be mad and angry. She told him he could stop whenever he wanted to, and that he couldn't be mad when he was the one doing it to himself. Natalie also noted her cooking skills are not great, so she's fending for herself through his crazy diet. Nick continued to defend his decision to do the water fast, saying he needed a cleanse. He revealed eating too much sugar during the holidays and just wasn't eating as healthy as he could be. He also pointed out that he doesn't want to hear what anyone thinks about it, good or bad. Is the water fast safe? The water fast Nick Viall is participating in can be both good and bad. Healthline shared details about this diet, saying it does have some good benefits, but should never be done for more than 72 hours without a doctor's supervision. Some of the known benefits of water fasting is possibly reducing the risk of some types of cancers, diabetes, and heart disease. It also promotes autophagy. This is a process in which your body breaks down and recycles old, potentially dangerous parts of your cells. As weird as it sounds, water fasting may actually dehydrate one and cause one to get orthostatic hypotension. This is a drop in blood pressure that happens when you suddenly stand up, and it can leave you dizzy, lightheaded, and at risk of fainting. It can also aggravate some conditions, such as gout. The water fast is not for everyone. What do you think about Nick doing this fad diet? Stay tuned for more updates. When former Bachelor star Nick Viall stepped into the spotlight to discuss his participation in a controversial diet plan, it immediately sparked a mix of curiosity, debate, and concern among his fans and listeners. On his podcast, The Viall Files, Nick delved into the details of this diet, revealing why he felt the need to embark on such a drastic approach to health and wellness. Known for his candid discussions on relationships, personal growth, and wellness, Nick's new journey provided a glimpse into the challenges of balancing health aspirations with public scrutiny. For many people, the start of a new year signals an opportunity to reset, a time to let go of bad habits and adopt healthier ones. Nick Viall, 43, is no exception. Like countless others, he admits to indulging in holiday treats, leaving him feeling sluggish and out of sync with his body. However, instead of choosing traditional approaches like hitting the gym or adopting a balanced diet, Nick opted for something far more extreme, a water fast. This is not some sort of, do this with me challenge, Nick clarified on his podcast. "I haven't eaten in 36 hours, so that's fun." His tone oscillated between humor and earnestness as he opened up about the reasons behind his decision. For Nick, this was less about weight loss and more about a deep cleanse, a complete reset for his body and mind. "It's supposed to be really healthy for you," he said. "It's supposed to decrease your chance of cancer. It's supposed to be good for inflammation and even reduce your risk of Alzheimer's." Despite his optimism, Nick's experiment with water fasting has not been without its challenges or critics. On social media, fans expressed both concern and support, with some praising his dedication and others questioning the safety of such an extreme diet. Water fasting is a dietary practice where one abstains from all food and beverages except water for a set period. While proponents of water fasting tout its potential health benefits, medical experts warn that it's not suitable for everyone and should be approached with caution. Nick revealed that his goal was to complete a 4-day water fast, during which he would consume nothing but water. "I just felt like I needed this cleanse," he shared. "I've been eating too much sugar, too many carbs, and honestly, I just wanted to challenge myself mentally and physically." However, the first 24 hours were far from easy. "By early evening, I was weak, tired, and just wanted to go to bed," Nick confessed. His wife, Natalie Joy, wasn't exactly thrilled with the idea either. "She's suffering just by listening to me complain," he admitted with a laugh. Natalie's patience was tested as she fended for herself in the kitchen, jokingly lamenting her limited cooking skills while Nick pursued his fasting journey. "I told him he could stop whenever he wanted to," Natalie shared during an Instagram Q&A. "But he can't be mad when he's the one doing this to himself." Nick's water fast has sparked a wave of questions. Is it safe? Are the purported health benefits real? Experts have weighed in, offering a nuanced perspective on this controversial practice. According to Healthline, water fasting does have potential benefits. It can promote autophagy, a process where the body breaks down and recycles old, potentially harmful cells. Some studies suggest that water fasting may lower the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. However, these benefits often come with caveats. For instance, prolonged fasting can lead to dehydration, nutrient deficiencies, and other health complications if not done under medical supervision. One of the most immediate risks of water fasting is orthostatic hypotension, a sudden drop in blood pressure that can cause dizziness and fainting. "It's definitely not for everyone," Nick acknowledged. "I'm not a doctor, and I'm not saying people should try this without doing their research." Indeed, the medical community agrees that fasting for more than 72 hours should only be attempted under professional guidance. Extended fasting can exacerbate conditions like gout and negatively impact kidney function. Critics of water fasting argue that the risks often outweigh the benefits, particularly when safer and more sustainable methods of improving health are available. While the physical challenges of water fasting are significant, the emotional and social aspects can be equally daunting. For Nick, the mental discipline required to stick to the fast was both a challenge and a reward. "It's a test of willpower," he explained. "You're constantly battling that voice in your head telling you to just eat something." Natalie's support played a crucial role in Nick's journey, even if she didn't entirely agree with his approach. "I'm trying to be supportive, but it's hard when he's grumpy and hangry," she joked. The couple's dynamic added a layer of humor to the otherwise serious topic, as Natalie's lighthearted commentary provided a counterbalance to Nick's intense focus. However, not everyone in Nick's circle was as understanding. Friends and family expressed concerns about the potential risks, urging him to reconsider. On social media, fans were divided. While some applauded his commitment to health and wellness, others questioned the example he was setting. "It's dangerous to promote something like this," one follower commented. "Not everyone has the discipline or health to do this safely." Amid the controversy, Nick remained steadfast in his decision. "I'm not doing this to make a statement or to encourage others to follow my lead," he clarified. "This is a personal journey for me. I'm sharing it because I believe in being transparent, but I'm not looking for validation or criticism." Nick's candidness extended to the challenges he faced during the fast. "The first 24 hours were brutal," he admitted. "I was tired, cranky, and constantly tempted to give up. But once I pushed through that initial hurdle, I started to feel a sense of clarity and focus. Nick's experiment with water fasting raises broader questions about the pressures of health and wellness in the public eye. As a former reality TV star, Nick is no stranger to scrutiny. His decision to share such a personal journey highlights the fine line celebrities walk between authenticity and influence. "I know this isn't for everyone," Nick reiterated, "and I'm not here to tell people how to live their lives. But for me, this was about hitting the reset button and challenging myself in a new way." As the debate around water fasting continues, one thing is clear: Nick Viall's journey has sparked important conversations about health, wellness,